Of this lizard strange.
Hey guys, we are Ariel. Welcome to my YouTube channel here, and please subscribe. Don't forget you're awesome as always.
I'll take a picture of this buddy right here.
Everyone's favorite turtle. Yeah, remember I found one about that size?
Yeah, we got about 3 of them about that size.
Oh, they're so cute. Hi, buddies. Hello. Oh. Sean, they're swimming over each other. Look. Hi there.
Oh, so cute.
They're just swimming over each other. Hey, look.
He's like, get off my face.
You're in the way. Aww. How cute.
Smell?
I got that on camera. Hello, buddy. Oh, he's drinking. Oh. Here's my buddy. He's asleep right now. They're all sleeping. There's my golden. That one's wide awake. Hello. This one's active.
Huh?
That one's active.
What, that's the snake?
Look.
Is that when you said they saw it?
Hey, Rebecca, how you doing?
That's when they let you touch, right?
No, that one. He's asleep. Is she asleep?
Yeah, here's a corn snake. Another one. Here's a corn snake.
Oh, you're fine. We're at the nature center again. Alright, I'm gonna go show y'all the pier. That's our friend Bo. Hey J-Dog, how you doing? Y'all know where we at again. We're at the nature center. Last time when we were here, we saw dolphins that way. So I'm hoping they are out again. There was a bunch of gnats out. Very busy. I'll post a video about why I've been busy recently. Okay, I have my radio interview tomorrow. I'm so happy. My sister Michelle, who has her own radio podcast, is interviewing me tomorrow. So that was a radio interview I was talking about. So tell there. Yeah, there was a pond of dolphins right over there last time I went here. It's just pretty much ducks outside. That turtle was pretty cute, wasn't it? Oh, I love the sound of waves crashing. I don't know why, but I just do. I'm hoping one day I'll live on a boat because that's how obsessed I am with dolphins. I can just watch dolphins play all day long. They're like the cutest animals. Oh, there's a bird. Let me guess, it's time to go. No? Yeah, last time when I was here, there was 12 dolphins over there. Now there's not. Darn it.
Alright.
Oh well. You'd know that we would be coming out here a lot, right?
Wouldn't have a car, too.
Mm-hmm. I think it's to a low tide right now for dolphins. They're so unpredictable sometimes.
I know.
Oh yeah, this is the view place. By the way.